She's looking back.
Where's your ball?
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
It's time that you answered some of your fans' most asked questions. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first question is, are you a good boy? We all know that one. Okay, the second question is, I didn't even ask the question yet. Is Linda annoying? Oh, alright then fine. Third question, is Dad annoying? Is Papa annoying? We're both annoying. I didn't even finish asking the question. You're mean. Okay, next question. Do you like cats? You don't like cats? Why not? Okay, solid answer.
This is Hank. He's a golden retriever, and his owner likes to tell us that sometimes Hank can be a little bit weird. I bathed him in our de-shedding shampoo, and then I rinsed him off. He gets on the table, and he forgets that he knows how to stand. As the table goes up, he gets very concerned and begins to slide. Then he realizes he does know how to stand, and we fully blow dry him. He doesn't like it much, so he faces the wall. After that, I brush him with my coral brush and my undercoat rake. I clip his nails, and I tidy up his very hairy paws. I shave out his paw pads, and then I do some doggy detailing. I tidied up his chest using my sea comb, and then I rounded up his ears. I do some blending, spray him in our Jelly Bean cologne, and Hank is all finished, looking handsome. We love his weirdness.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark.
That has made my day.
Nice! A lot of you have been begging me for a husky for quite some time. This is Callie. She's 12 years old, and we see her every 3 months for grooming. As you can see, her coat is very compacted, and she's going to lose a lot of hair. I bathed her in our de-shedding shampoo, and then I fully conditioned her body. I use my de-shedding nozzle to remove as much undercoat as possible while she's in the bathtub. And then after her bath, I spray her down in our vinegar water spray to speed up the drying process. And then I blow dry her with our high velocity dryer, and she lost a whole lot more hair. Huskies don't usually like having their feet touched, but Callie is a very good dog. I clip her nails and then I shave out her paw pads. I brush her with our Chris Christensen coral brush, and then I switch to the undercoat rake. I finish her off with my metal comb. She's so pretty. And then I spray her down in our blueberry cologne, and Callie is all finished, feeling fresh.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Me, or I think she like me. Molly rocks in my green tea.
Pussy boy, get out my way.